The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by True Classic Wealth.
Many economists are predicting that taxes will continue to rise over the next couple of years. So what impact is that going to have on your retirement savings? Well, joining us to discuss is Tony Santis, a financial advisor, retirement income professional, and founder of True Classic Wealth. Thanks so much for joining us today. How's it going?
Doing great. Thank you for having me here.
Good. So what do you think the future has in store? Tell us for tax rates.
Well, we know in the short term, tax rates are going to go up. The tax rates that are in effect today, well, they sunset in 2025 and they go away and tax rates are going up automatically. On top of that, most economists, as you mentioned, believe that over the next 30 or 40 years, taxes are probably going to be much higher than they are today.
Well, let's talk practically. What do the higher tax rates mean for people that are already in retirement or those that are soon approaching retirement?
You know, what it means on a dollars and cents level could be hundreds of thousands of dollars that people have to pay in taxes with those higher tax rates. But what that really means is the impact that it will have. You know, people plan for a certain amount of activity in retirement, and if they're paying all these extra taxes, things like visiting the grandkids or helping out children or having good vacations or buying a new car or buying an old car, those are the things that might get left by the wayside because all that money is going to those increased taxes.
Yeah, you know, people have such big dreams for the things that they'll get to be able to do in retirement. So what do you have to say that maybe can help people to lower their tax bills in retirement?
Well, great question. You know, everybody that has money saved for retirement, it's going to be one of three types of accounts. They can either be taxable accounts like their investment accounts or tax deferred, IRAs and 401ks, or tax free. Our job is to help our clients move those assets, move that money into as much tax-free accounts as possible.
Okay, and with taxes seemingly on the forefront of so many minds, is this a good time to consider conversion or another strategy for saving?
Absolutely. Now is a phenomenal time because right now we have those historically low tax rates. So now is the time to take advantage of those tax rates, to do a conversion, to do something to minimize that lien that the IRS has on your retirement accounts.
Okay, so let's talk practically as well.
Yeah.
How or what kind of results can we expect from changing our tax strategy?
You know, everybody's situation is different, so everyone's results are going to be different. But what it really comes down to is finding out where you stand, what makes your situation different so that we can create a customized plan for you to minimize that tax bite.
All right, and I know that you can personalize that and make that so helpful for so many people. So thank you, Tony, for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
All right, and if you want to find out how you could reduce or even eliminate your taxes in retirement, Tony and True Classic Wealth have a special offer. He will meet with you to customize and give you a comprehensive retirement plan that's all for you. And this is a comprehensive plan that takes a look at income, investments, and may offer strategies to potentially save thousands in retirement. Today, it's complimentary for those who have saved $250,000 or more. So call now, 813-534-6559. That number again, 813-534-6559. Daytime will be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by True Classic Wealth.